Welcome back to the new learning. So today we are going to learn how to use count function in Microsoft Excel. So before we go to the topic, so what is meant by count function? So the word itself clearly tells you that count the number of cells in a specific range that meets a given criteria. So we have 5 types of count function. So let's see one by one. So as you see in my screen, I have employee details, so which is serial number, employee ID, employee name, employee location as well as employee status. So I have 4 questions in front of me, so I have to find the solution with the help of count function. So let's see one by one. So my first question is, how many employees are available in this specific table? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to get number of records are available in this specific range, so that I can able to get number of employees are in a specific table. So with the help of count function, I'm going to get number of records are available in the specific range. So if you are familiar with formula, you can directly type, or you can directly start with equal and type count, or else you can just go to formula tab and click insert functions and select type your formula and hit enter, or you can just hit go. So as you see, the count function is in front of you. So right now I'm going like this, just type the formula which is count and open bracket. So as you see, it will ask you to select your specific values. So please note it down, count function, which is count alone function, will allow only you to select your numerical number, which is integer or numerical number. So it won't allow you to select your specific range, even though you have selected. If you selected your string or text, it won't count. So let me give you example. So first I have to select my entire specific range, which is only the numbers. So when I close my bracket and hit enter, it will give you 20 as a result. So as you see, I have selected 20 rows. The same way it will give you 20 result. So when I just select my text also, means I have selected my serial number, which is header also. Now when I hit enter, again it will give you as 20 as a result, since it won't consider text or string values. So this is how the count alone function will work. So consider I don't have a serial number in my table, but I just wanted to calculate number of employees are available in the specific range. So with the help of count A function, we can do that. So let's see. So just type count A and select your entire range. So in this case, I'm going to select my entire A column, and when I hit enter, the result is 21. Previously it was 20. So when we use count A, it has increased from 20 to 21, means it will calculate the text as well as numerical values. So please make sure that whenever you use count A function, you have excluded your header. So now my employees are 20. So my second question is, how many employees don't have location details? So from this table I have to find number of rows or blanks in an employee location column. So in other terms, how many blanks are available in the specific employee column. So to get number of blanks in a specific table, I'm going to put count blank as a formula. Then I have to select my specific range. So when I hit enter, it will give you 3 as a result. So as you see, row number 7, row number 12 and row number 18 don't have employee location details. So that's what it will give you 3 as a result. So please make sure that whenever you use count blank function, you have to select the specific table range alone. Since if you put the entire D as a range, then it will give you the result, it will give you wrong result, since all the other cells which is apart from the table, it will consider as a blank, so it will give you the wrong result. So please make sure that, so whenever you use COUNTIF blank, count blank, so you have to select your specific range alone. So my third question is, how many employees belongs to Chennai location? So as you see that question number 3 have some category or criteria. So I have to find only the Chennai location people. So for that I'm going to put COUNTIF as a formula. So as you see, it asks me to select your range as well as criteria. So I'm going to select my entire range, D as my entire range, and I'm going to put my criteria. My criteria would be Chennai, since I just want to know how many people belongs to Chennai. So when I hit enter, it will give you result as 6. So I'm just going to count. So as you see, 6 employees belongs to Chennai. That's what it will give. It will give you 6 as a result. The similar way, if you want to count number of employees are active in active status, you can just put COUNTIF and select your entire range and just type active, then close the bracket. Now we could say 17 employees are in active status. The same way, 3 employees are in inactive status. So this is how the COUNTIF function will work. So my fourth question is, how many employees belongs to Chennai, and the same way he or she should be in active status. So I have 2 criteria. So first I have to find number of employees from the Chennai and they should be in active status. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put COUNTIFS as a formula. So as you see, I have to select my criteria, range and criteria. The same way, so first I'm going to select the employee location and my criteria would be Chennai, and my criteria second range. So I'm going to select my employee status as a criteria second, then my criteria second criteria is active. So 3 employees belongs to Chennai and those are all in active status. So row number 2 and row number 13, the same way row number 20. So 3 employees belongs to Chennai location and they are in active status. So rest all Chennai but they are in inactive status. Also row number 14, he belongs to Chennai but he is in inactive status. The same way row number 19, he or she belongs to Chennai but they are in inactive status. So this is how we can use COUNTIFS formula. So hope you have learned count function in Excel. So thanks for watching and happy learning.